he got the title. So we are grilling up a storm out here today for your 4th of July weekend. Simple, delicious, those are my two requirements for all of this. This time, a lime butter salmon. People get so scared of doing salmon on the grill, and I'm telling you what, it couldn't be easier. I had two beautiful salmon fillets. I've had them here on the grill probably about, I don't know, 7-10 minutes, something like that. You can tell when they're done. And these have gone from, sort of pink when they're raw to sort of orangey when they're done now. I put them on these grills because they're a little bit easier to handle and cleanup is easier. The skin side down on this oiled grill pan. And check this out. You just put your spatula right between the skin and the meat. It comes right off. The nasty old skin stays right on. And you can just put those right on a platter. Could not be simpler. Literally 7 to 10 minutes and all of this comes off. So this is salt and pepper. I marinated it in some lime overnight. And I also made some lime butter this morning. I did it in the pan here, but you could certainly do it on your stove also. It's lime, it's garlic, and I'm going to put some lime zest on it also. These limes, which have been thoroughly cleaned, to zest them, just take a grater and grate the dark green part of the lime off. This is where all the oil and the flavor live. I'm going to cut it in half. And then just get the juice out. This is the juice of about, I think I did about 4 lime here, all total. And the lime and the butter are going to all go together. And here, I'm going to mix it up a little bit. And this is going to get spooned over the salmon. Amazingly delicious, nice garlic lime butter. And then this zest, it's just sprinkled on top. Really great flavor, super lime flavor, but also really delicious and decorative as well. Couldn't be easier. Recipes up on the web, WGNTV.com/Dean's List. Thank you to our friends at Jewel Osco. Later on, I'm getting ready for the pizzas. You see, I'm grilling up the crusts already. Got 3 different kinds of pizzas we'll show you after 8 o'clock. We'll take a quick break and have more for you coming up. Stick around. Yum.
The South Side.